Welcome back, guys, to yet another interesting episode on Auto Vibe. And this episode is all about a motorcycle which has been in the family since last many years. It was bought new in 1991, and what I did to it was I partially restored it a few months ago. And I am wearing a T-shirt which I designed myself to wear while I'm riding that motorcycle. And I have got the key here, and it is a definitive key which a lot of Bajaj Pulsar and 4S owners will know. And yes, the motorcycle that I'm reviewing today, or I'm taking you guys around, is none other than Kawasaki KB100 RTZ. It's a 1991 model. It is different from the silver one that I have made a lot of videos on. Unfortunately, I hate to break it to you, but I sold that motorcycle. So without wasting much time, just let us go. Let's check this motorcycle out. Check out what all mods have been done to it, and I'll just take you through it. So let's go. Let's check it out. So this is the motorcycle that I was talking about, and I restored it a few months ago. And let us start looking at it from the front fascia. This is the brand new speedometer that I got for about 2,200 rupees. And the only thing which is not functioning is the fuel gauge. Apart from the fuel gauge, everything is nice and crisp. The tachometer is functioning fine, but the speedometer is yet to start. It has some issues, so I have to get it sorted. And the key switch here is what I have used, the generic one, as you know, a lot of uh, dealers did not have the original one, so this is like a generic key switch that I used. And it is functioning quite well. It is looking like period specific thing. The only thing missing here is the Bajaj logo, and that I'll source soon. On the right hand side we have the generic on off switch. The mirrors are what the bike came with. On the left hand side we have a generic combination switch with the pull type choke. Apart from this, the entire body line is original with a lot of company stickers still on it. And the tank is of very good quality, original tank. The only left side panel is what is broken, and I'm not getting one in the same color, so it is what it is. As we look at it from the very side, the body line is very straight, and the rear suspension are what I installed new. As I was not able to source Showa Munjal, I installed the Gabriel ones, which are like the similar height but very comfortable. Everything else is a stock. I did not touch it from any angle. A lot of things are what the motorcycle came with, apart from the chain cover, which is looking very sad, but I plan to get it repainted. So by looking at the indicators, I went for the black generic ones, as the chrome ones were not available, and a lot of them rust pretty fast. So I thought of going for the black ones. So looking at the rear plastic one, which I sourced, and a lot of things happen with it, and it breaks. The silencer on the motorcycle is, believe me, it is the original silencer which came with the car, and it is sparkling still nicely even today. I have kept the stock filter setup on the stock mountings that are provided on the intake box. Uh, it looks nice, and it looks stock, and it goes with the overall theme of the motorcycle. And since this motorcycle is RTZ, the power box is lying way behind, as the tank is belonging to a 86 motorcycle. So the wheels here is the highlight here. I have tried to make it like a GTO. Both front end wheels are alloy wheels from a bike from Bajaj stable, maybe a Platina or something. But these are like the wheels which are perfectly matching, and then we can use at the tubeless tire setup. And both front and rear wheels are the same. So for the rear thing, a lot of alteration had to be done. So the entire half axle assembly, the assembly for the sprocket was changed, and front and rear sprocket was taken from Pulsar. The bearings had to be changed, and you know. The chain as well we had to change. So only thing that we had to do was to take out two links from the chain, and we were like good to go, and now it is riding like crazy. Very nice.
Beautiful motorcycle, and I am so lucky that I was able to restore it in whatever glory that you see right now. And yeah, this is pretty much it. These are all the mods that have been done to the motorcycle throughout the years, and it runs and drives as nicely as it can.